door. So palagi ramo you la de kanwari na you la de tele chemical ma ya wang na ganwari ya ka wang ganwari ya ka na so leni sham you kunon coach we not it no so re ramo we ka na itayanto. I'll come back to English. I will go to SSPDF, the second people that I'm addressing. SSPDF, today, Johnson Oloin have been denied by the government of South Sudan because what they wanted was to send a message. They have been finding a way to remove Dr. Oloin from his position because they don't trust him. And they didn't find a way to remove him. How did they remove him? They gave him a message. He came and delivered the message. And after delivering that message, the government today denied him after 2 days of thinking, how should we do this? They came and they denied Oloin officially, publicly. And the same way they deny Oloin is the same way they don't care about you. Is the same way they will deny you. And it's the same way they have been giving you fake money. Is the same way you are suffering, there's no food where you are. Is the same way the roads that you are using when you are going to attack and destroy your country that you are supposed to be protecting. That road, if we had a good government, they will have fixed that road and you will not be struggling the way you are struggling. Imagine you are struggling to go and die. Where is your brains? So I'm here to tell you, the same way Oloin have been denied, you are not different from Oloin. The same way the government doesn't care about what you will eat. Salva Kiir care about sitting in his position. Recently, cholera attacked people. It attacked the SSPDF camp. Did you see any medicine being brought to you? Did you see even the dead body that died in that place? Were they even buried? They were denounced. The government doesn't care about them. The government doesn't care about where you die. They don't care about you having a befitting burial because you have died because of protecting Salva Kiir government. So Salva Kiir should do at least bury you slowly. That is what it does. Salva Kiir doesn't care about you. And you have seen from Oloin, he doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about Oloin. He just wants to make sure that anybody that is on the street can continue to do what? Can continue to keep his power for him. So that one is going to SSPDF. That is for you. And Mawin Anei Wall, please, I want the people of Bor to speak about 1991. Not you, the people of Bargazal. You are from Bargazal and you are talking about 1991. How did 1991 affect you, Mawin Anei Wall? So be smart. Know where you want to throw your empty brain in. So the third person that I want to address is the international community. Why is Salva Kiir government coming out today? It's been 2 days since Oloin announced this, since he said he called for the death of the chicken, women, children, livestock of northern Jonglei. Why did it take the government of South Sudan? Today is the 3rd day since Oloin said that statement. Why they did not come out immediately if the government of South Sudan was not part of this, if the government of Salva Kiir was not the one saying this, if Paul Nang, if the Young Council of Elders, if Salva Kiir himself were not part of this message, that they just brought it out through the mouth of Olony because they wanted to find a way to eliminate him because they have been afraid of thinking he's almost rebelling. Why they did not come out the same day, the same hour? We are all been in the social media, including the international community. You have come out immediately and you denounce and you condemn that what was said is not right. Why will the international community to be the first people to come out and denounce this? Why will UNIMIS be the first people to come out? Why will the Tricas country, why will be the UN be the first to come out and denounce this? And after 3 days, that is when the government of South Sudan will come and denounce it. It's because the government of South Sudan did not want to denounce anything. But because the international community, because the whole world have talked about this, and the whole world have said this is not right, and they have condemned this and they have condemned this, that is the reason why Nyanuer is coming out today to denounce Johnson Olony. So this is what the government of South Sudan have been doing. After they come out and killed the innocent civilians of South Sudan, they will always come out and cover it. And the international community keep quiet about it. But we cannot accept seeing the government of Salva Kiir, of Paul Nang, of Makwelwes, of Nyanuer today, which even Nyanuer used to criticize the government when he was removed. And again he's put and he's trying to do this, is here to cover out. But the whole world have seen. The video is there because when Olony was making this statement, he was not making this statement as himself. He was making this statement on a government mission that he was sent to and the troops were leaving. He was going to send the troops to go to war. So he was sending the troops as the government of South Sudan. He was sending the troops when he was sitting in the office. So this is something that all of us know. Olony did not say this statement in his house. He did not state this statement in Juba. He did not state this statement in Malakal. He did not say this statement in Bargazal. He did not say this statement in Uganda. He said this statement in front line, being sent by the government, and the government was aware that Olony went on a mission to go and send the troop to go to war. So they sent him with the message, and immediately he went and gave the message. And that is it. So they cannot come out today and fool. They want to make us think that we are stupid. We are not stupid. We are wise and we think better. And now it is not only we, the South Sudanese, who are condemning this. The EU International